Oof, am I live? Am I live? Let me go and check real quick. I want to make sure everything is running smoothly. Everything is going good. I'm going to need this one over here for something else. First of all, that should not be my live photo. I changed my live photo. I changed it, because I don't want that to be... Oh, it's too big. Oops, not download. It's too big. So we gotta change it to... Then can I change it to this? Okay, we'll change it to that because I don't want that to be my live photo. Let me restart. Restart. Okay, perfect. That looks better. I don't like why it doesn't look like that though. So we gotta change it to... Then can I change it to this? I gotta change my image, but it's alright. Change it to that because... Alright, so we got this. Open. I'm gonna turn this down because my bad, y'all. It's probably loud as hell. Me doing that. And then one more thing. I want to make sure I get done on this phone. Right quick. I want to get this done over here. Perfect. And as y'all could tell by the screen title, we are going to be recreating this MacBook Air landing page, which I do need to actually... Give me 1 second, because I do actually need to hop back in here. Let me drop my camera now. What's up? Let me drop my camera and put myself in this corner. Yo, how you doing? I'm doing good. Just trying to get everything set up, because I'm about to recreate this Apple MacBook... this Apple... How do you even say it? Apple Book... No, why am I saying that so wrong? This MacBook Air landing page. There we go. Woof. So, give me a second, because I need to go and open... I need to open a couple of things, because... No, not that. I already got that open. Hold on. I probably should have did this off stream, to be honest. Because it's not working the way I'm trying to get this to work. And I'm trying to... And I deleted the wrong one, bro. Now I got no background. Why would I do that? Hold on. We got Chrome. Put that back up. Throw this back here. Okay. I'm trying to get my visual code to pop up, because that's basically where I'm working on this. But I'm having trouble with getting it to pop up on my screen. Okay, we're gonna do it like that. Maybe I have to call it visual code. Is that what they want? Visual code. Let's see how that works. No, for some reason I cannot get this to pop up whatsoever. How can I do that? Damn, I might have to just say FA and go on free code camp. I can't get my visual code to pop up. For some reason. Or my I just have so many things I'm trying to open right now, and none of it will open. That's insane. I thought it was going to be easy. Maybe I should do display capture. If I can't do this, then I'm probably going to have to switch the title and do something else. Display capture. Well, that just shows straight up what's on my screen, which I might have to just end up going that route. Give me a second, y'all. I'm going to put this here. I'm gonna have to change this. I know it looks crazy right now. I have to change this up, put that there. And then I need my face cam to go above that. Why is that not working? Okay, there we go. So now this should show everything that I'm doing. What's up, Dia? I think this should show everything that I'm doing. Let me see if my visual code pops up. Damn, my stream is like far behind. Okay, yep, my visual code is up here. Y'all can see everything I'm doing here. Perfect. And then when I open this, so I think the only scary part about this type of way of streaming is that y'all can actually see everything I'm doing on my screen. So I need to make sure I don't show nothing crazy. But I don't think I have anything crazy open anyway. But this is my replication of this Apple MacBook Air landing page. So far, I only got the nav bar up here. This link works. These links work. I didn't even know this was a different link. So I got lucky with understanding I needed to switch that. So that was good. But I do need to end up, obviously, going into CSS and fixing a couple of things. I don't even know, because as y'all can see, where is that? I don't even know where I have that at. I have just an extra one. No, I think that must be like an old pop-up. Okay, yeah, that's old. That's old. Okay, that's old. So I got buy MacBook Air starting at $899 with education savings. I think it looks alright. Get AirPods or an eligible accessory of your choice. So now I need to hop into CSS and change a couple things because this needs to change its size. I think this is separate. I tried to get it separate. Can I expect my own stuff? Yes, okay, so I got it separate, so that's perfect. So I should be able to do it just like Apple, where they have this like smaller, but they also don't use what I used. There's like this thing like on the phone, I feel like. I don't know how to get it on my keyboard. So I guess I would have to just leave it like that and probably size it down. But it might not necessarily be the same exact arrow. But I think that's okay. My goodness. So now I need to hop into my CSS, get this all centered, get this all working. But I need to target a couple of things because I'm pretty sure my div is going to need a class, which I'm just going to name that. Should I name that nav number 2 or is that too crazy? Because technically it's not a nav bar, but should I put it in a nav? Because I don't think they put theirs in a nav, which is why I just kept mine in a span. Yeah, they didn't put theirs in a nav. Theirs is in a div. So what the hell did they name their div? They named it they named it a bunch of things, okay? We're not gonna do that. I'm probably going to name this, damn, I was gonna name it buy, but then I'm probably gonna have a section where you could buy it. I don't think, does it really matter for right now? I feel like it does because I need to do it to center it. Let me just call it center. I'll figure it out later. Eventually, are you looking to build a career in web development or app development? I feel like for me, if a career ends up coming, then it ends up coming. But I feel like I kind of just like it for the fact that, like, I see it more as a skill rather than it being an actual career. I think I just like the fact that I know how to do it and I want to keep learning as much as I can with coding. But then if that turned into a career, because, you know, I feel like I would put out applications and I would be on like a freelance web design page. But with the way that AI is looking, it's like you could really just download any website like builder and just make it without needing code. So I honestly think deep down, I just do it because I find it fun. So I'm gonna call that center because I don't know if that's gonna be specifically what I'm going to use to center that. Buy MacBook Air. I don't know if my P is going to need a class. I honestly think I'm just going to have to start in CSS and see what happens. I need to start in CSS and see what happens. So we're just gonna go dot center. And now I don't know if I should use justify content, text align. I mean align text. Wait, is it text align or align text? I don't know why. It's like either or. It affects me. So we'll go align text center. Let's see if that works. It's gonna just be a bunch of trial and error here. Okay, that ended up working rather quickly. That's good. That's good. Now let me take this off real quick because I just want to see what it looks like. Okay. Okay. So I know that we're obviously off by, wait, why does this happen every time I come in? It's like my code is never in the center of the image. I don't even know, nor do I care. No, I kind of do care, damn it. Okay, whatever. Go back into here. But then it would be this. So do I do like, can I do like 55 or something? Like, cause it's not too far off. I think that shot me down. Hold up. Let me do like 1.4. Does that bring me up? Does that bring me up or what? Wait. Are you typing SF Pro as font? That's what I was trying to do, but then it wasn't working. So then I was just like, whatever. So I don't have it as a font. Like it's definitely not working. It's definitely not working. Cause I messed that up. I definitely messed that up. Hold on. How do I fix this? Why is this not? Is it moving up or down? Okay, there we go. That's better. That looks better. But then, yeah, so I think my font is 100% off. And I was trying to look at what they did for their font. So they have it as SF Pro Text, SF Pro Icons. But I'm like, I don't think you could use that with Visual Code or something because that's not working. That's not working. And then, yeah, so I tried using sans serif because I know that works, but yeah, I'm assuming you probably just can't use this in Visual Code because it's not popping up for me. But somebody told me to do it on my TikTok. Someone told me to do it on my TikTok. So let me see. You got $899. It clearly needs a different font, but that's the problem. It's because they're using that weird font that I seem to not be able to use. Wait, can they? Because I kind of want to see what font they use for this one too, and I bet you it's the same thing. Like, what do y'all think is the closest font for me to get it to look like the same font? Because they're doing SF Pro here, but it's like, I don't think I can use that. But it's definitely, for me, it's definitely the font that looks different. And it's not too off though. Like, I feel like it doesn't really affect me. I think everything should be a little bigger or a little bit to the left. There's some off. There's something off, but it's okay. I'll super stick. Okay, let me try that. If you're new here, I am trying to replicate this Apple MacBook Air landing page with just CSS and HTML. I've been learning how to code for almost 3 months, so follow me along this journey. So we just got recommended to do, where the hell is my font family? Oh, okay. We just got recommended to do a certain font family, I think is what he was commenting. Is that a font family? Damn, how the hell you spell that? Stick? I don't even think that's gonna work. Did I spell that wrong? Super rustic. I must have either spelled that wrong or it don't look like it's working. Don't look like it's working. Did it work? Or am I tripping? No, yeah, I'm tripping. It looks the same. Oops, what the hell? I just clicked the wrong button. Unless I'm doing that in the wrong spot. Am I typing that in the wrong spot? It is that system font. So it is. But I feel like it's not going through for me. Oh, so it's okay, so I'm assuming it's probably just visual code, probably just acting weird. I'm gonna just leave it the way that it is until I could figure it out. The only thing is though, is that I think it's a little bit too dark. Like, I want to change the color of it. Actually, you know what? I think I'm just gonna keep that color. Let's just start trying to target this and then target that, because I need to make those smaller. As you can see, this one, first of all, isn't even supposed to be purple. There's supposed to be no type of highlight, which I kind of don't remember how to do, because, well, it's supposed to turn blue when you hover over it, but it's supposed to be black when you touch it, and it has a whole separate type of link. So just type system and VS Code will give you the suggestion. So just type system. Did I type system in here? Or am I typing system in? Oh. Oh my gosh. Was I supposed to click that? Was that supposed to be the goal? Well, I mean, actually, damn, that do look like the font, but now it just messed up. Oh, you know what, too? Because I'm forgetting that I don't have it. I have to get to the font specifically for this one. But now it is the font, which I like more than, yeah. The problem is now everything is bigger. So now I need to go back to where the hell I sized this and drop the damn size. Font size, let's try and go for like 14. Oops. Let's try and go 14. They actually just, oops, why the hell did I click that? Font size. Bruh. Stop it. Just do what I'm trying to do. Oh my goodness. Alright, 14px. What the yo. How did 14px drop it that small? Alright, we're gonna have to go. What's up, Sitta? I'm gonna have to go and let's guess. I'm gonna just go 20. Well, no, because 24 was big. But maybe it wasn't that big. 24 was big. What size do y'all think this is? It's definitely smaller than that. So it has to be like 18. It has to be like 18. Let's go. Let's just attack this. 18. What do y'all think? Does 18 look better, or do you think I should go 19? I think I should go 19. I'm not about to cap. I think I should go 19. But if 19 don't do it, we're done. Damn, they loud as hell here. I don't like stuff like that. You know, we might be going to war. I don't like noises like that. I almost ran. Alright, we got 19. Okay, yeah, 19 looks better. 19 looks better. Thank you, Dia, for helping me with system, because that was definitely difficult. I don't know. Is there a way for me to translate that? I don't think so. I don't think I can translate that. I'm sorry, said I don't know. I don't know what you said. But what's up? What's up? For new here, replicating this Apple MacBook Air landing page, trying to get it to look quite the exact same is honestly my goal. So I like the font. Thank you for the help, Dia, because that was very difficult. Very difficult. Now I need to target the font for this one. So I don't know if I should do a P. Because I feel like it looks kind of messy. Should I just give it a sections too? Well, no. Well, should I? Oops, wrong spot. I'm wondering, should I give it a sections too? But the problem is if I did that, then it would have a cursor, which I don't want. It will change the color, which I don't want. So I think I'm just gonna have to give it its own class. Or I can just straight up target P. I can straight up just target P, but if I ever need P for something, then we can just fix that later. I'll just give it a class or something. But we need to do, I think the font size seems to be okay. We need to change, no, I think the color is okay too. We need to do the font family. Font family, then do system. See if that works. See if that works. Okay, that looks better. But now we do need to end up changing the size on that thing. Do need to change the size on that thing. Perfect, okay. Drop down to CSS. Well done, keep it up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're from, I don't, is it, how do I pronounce that? Like Sidharam? You're from there? That's pretty dope. That's pretty cool. I love when people are from different places, man. It is so amazing. So we got the font. Now what? We got the font. I forgot what I was doing. My memory, the reason why I always jump back and forth is because my memory is just so bad. I'm like, what the hell am I here for? Okay, I'm changing the size. But am I changing the font size? Yeah. Okay, so that'll be font size. And then we're going to do probably, Well, what is the original font size? Because I don't think I need to do anything crazy. I just need to know what is the original. Oh wait, you know what? I'm forgetting that I'm the one creating this, so why the hell would it show me what my original font size is? It's okay. It's whatever. We got this. I'm assuming if that is like 20, this has to be 30. This has to be, or I'm tripping hardcore. Alright, I'm tripping. Okay, let's go 25. Actually, let's start small. We're at 20. Damn, 20, I don't even know. I'm tripping. Let's drop down to 15. Or, yeah. But then 15 is like, so what? It's not going to be the size of this? Oh, wait. I think I found it. Oh, you know what? I'm stupid. I meant to look at this one and find font size. Yeah, but they have hella stuff crossed out. Oh, they did it at 14px too? Ain't no way they did that at 14px too. I suggest you put the font family for the whole site in the CSS universal so you don't have to copy and paste it multiple times. That's true. Well, the problem is though, is that, oh wait, you know what, you're right, because this probably is the same font family. Let me see. Is this the same font family? Because I feel like, if it's all the same font family, then, oh yeah, you're right. Okay, because I feel like the reason why I didn't do that was because I was thinking these were different fonts. So I was like, these are going to be different fonts. There's no point in doing that. But no, you're right. Because, it basically is all the same. I honestly don't know how far I'm about to go down with this. I really don't know. Because this page is huge. And then it might end up just changing at some point. But yeah, you're right. So let me do it with the universal selector. That's smart. So then I might as well just delete this. Basically. But let me just see if it works first. Let me see if it works. We do something like this, I think. And then, what am I doing? Oh yeah, font family, copy and paste, because I don't got time. And then let me see if that works. Which I'm going to have to delete it actually to see if it works, because I just did it. So let me see, for instance, with that one. Alright, yeah, we're good. Okay, that's good. Now I got to delete it for the other one. That makes sense. Thank you, Dia. Because I definitely would have sat here and rewrote. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of things that I probably could put in there. But I'm okay. So let me see. What is that the right size? No, maybe they're right. Maybe 14px is right. But that just feels like it would look too small to me. Yeah, I guess they're right. Oh, well. Wait, did it work? Oh, wait, no, yeah, it's still on. I don't know why the hell theirs looks a little, like, thicker. I think I'm gonna leave mine at, like, 15. But theirs looks a little thicker, but it's okay. It's okay, because even though we're trying to replicate it, the goal isn't for it to look... Damn, I just X'd it out. The goal isn't for it to look exactly like it, but kind of, in a way. You're not using JavaScript? No, I'm not gonna be using JavaScript, but I could eventually... But as of right now, I'm actually currently struggling with JavaScript. So I'm practicing JavaScript off camera. I've been trying to get it way better. I have a video coming out on what I'm exactly doing. Should be coming out later today at 8 p.m. So that'll be pretty good. And I'm going to be doing that for a while. And then, shoot, I might come back in here and fix that. So I feel like this part looks good. Is there, yeah, and the space between it too actually looks really good. So I don't think I need to do anything with that. The scary part is getting into this image. That's the scary. Well, honestly, that shouldn't be hard though. Because I think the image, now that I'm thinking about it, oh no, the image doesn't come with this. Ooh, so that kind of is the scary part. Because how am I going to add an image that already has a background? Because I have this image. So it already has like this background. I don't know, that's something else. It's going to make my brain rot. Okay. Currently, I need to make this smaller. And whatever class that is. And then I need to make that smaller, even though that's not even technically what that is. So when you upload JS video on your channel, I don't know, because I feel like I have videos on my channel with JavaScript, but I want to say I'll probably start uploading it like soon, because I record vlogs, so I'll probably start uploading it soon, pretty soon. Change that size. So what is that? Because where is my triangle? Okay, my triangle is right here. My triangle is right here. So the class would be this, which is such a weird class name. But that's what they named it. As you could tell, I clearly just, because I couldn't make a triangle on my laptop. So I clearly had to sit there and like do something weird. Wait, why did it copy and paste it like that? First of all, is that even able to work? Because that don't even look... Oh, I'm missing my dot. But then still, you know what? Actually, F it. I'm switching this. Because I don't even know why I'm trying to do all that. I'm just going to do footnote. Let's make that easier. I don't know why I was trying to copy what they were exactly doing there. Let's just go footnote. Put the E. Alright, so next, I need to change the size, but would it be a font? Because technically it's in... Like, would that be a font size? Or would it be a width? Because it's not like a picture. I think it's technically been typed before. So I think I'll do like a font size. But let me just check first. But then it's like, damn, what size would it be? Honestly, normally how I check, I do the biggest size I can see. Because sometimes you do a small size, you can't even tell if it's changing. Damn. Okay, so we did it. That's good. Now we're targeting... we're targeting the right thing. Let's go 10. Let's see what 10 look like. Oh, 10 might be the wave. Oh, wait, no, it's a little smaller. Let's do 9. I don't know if it was that small. I'm not sure if it was that small. Open that up. Is it really smaller than 9? Could that be 8? Let's see. Could that be 8? In particular. I just want to see what the size... Oh, they did .6 EM. I don't know how the hell to translate that in PX. So I guess we're just going to keep going, and or I'm just going to have to use the exact size they did. Maybe it's 8. And first of all, I think I realized it's actually supposed to be on .choice, and I have it on shop. Oh, but that's so minor. Should I fix that? Damn, but that's so minor though. No, I don't care. I'm not fixing that. But I don't know if I can allow myself to leave it like that. I'm like low-key a perfectionist. That's why I'm stuck going through this. Okay, we're good. I think I like that better. The only thing is though, is now I need to somehow get that to be black. Like there needs to be no link, which I honestly forgot how to do. I mean, no link, like it needs to link to something, but it needs to be black. And then when you hover over it, it turns like bluish. And then I need to change the after, because I think when you click it, it doesn't change its color, because right now it's purple because I clicked it. So there's a couple of things I need to change with that. And then, like I said, I wish I could do the same thing, but I can't really, so I'm probably just gonna have to leave, like mine's is gonna have to look like that weird arrow. Because I don't see what arrow they've done that with. I feel like I could use that arrow on my phone, but using that on a keyboard, I don't see how the hell they made that. And then last but not least, I need to also make it to where there's no underline, but when you hover over it, there is. And then also the underline should not be under this. Oof, that's something else. I believe for the underline thing, is that in style? Or am I tripping? Is that in style? Like decoration style? I don't even remember what the hell it's called. But let me see if I can try and... I'm trying to think, because I don't know if it's simply color. And then what? You just turn it to black? But I don't think so. I feel like that's not how that works. Yeah, see, like I don't know how to necessarily turn that, take the link off of it. And then also that particularly has an underline as well. So I would have to see real quick. Let me see what is my shop class? My shop class. Wait, actually, what is my shop class? Did I even give it a class? Where the hell do I give it a class? Where the hell is my shop? I think I can target my shop, because I need to target my shop in particular. Can I give this a class? Or is that only for... Let me see. We're gonna try it, because I feel like you're not supposed to give this a class, but let's just call it like random. We're just gonna call it large. I just want to see if it works. But I feel like you're not supposed to give that a class, so I'm just gonna do font size. Like we're just gonna do something random and then just probably make it like extra large, whatever. Let's see if that works. Okay, so that works. So I guess you could do that. That's good to know. That's good to know. But then what do I want to call it though? Should I give it a class or should I just directly do A? I think I've done A before. Okay, no, I didn't. I'm gonna give it a class of because we're not making it large. We actually just need to take away the underline. So let's just go no underline. Maybe that'll make it easier for me to understand. We're gonna go with no underline, copy and paste it here, dot, paste. And then now I gotta remember, what exactly is it? Because I feel like it was style. Is it like, no, because it's not a list. It's not a list. Because then isn't that where you'll be like no underline? No, I'm tripping. I have to be tripping, right? Yeah, no, I have to be tripping. I don't know how to target that underline. And why the hell? Oh, I'm like, why the hell is my shop so damn big? I forgot that I did that. Yeah, I have no clue. No clue how to target that underline. So I'm probably gonna have to go ask for some help. But should I go to ChatGPT? Or should I try something different? Should I try something different? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see, because I'm having to, bro, I sent this picture to someone and I was trying to get them to create a thumbnail and I never finished it and I need to hurry up. So YouTube pixels, sorry. What is the pixels for a YouTube thumbnail? I think it's like 1080, 1090. I mean 1920. I know this is so random. I'm just trying to thumbnail size. Cause I sent it, cause sometimes I'll be sending it to ChatGPT so they can hurry up and get it together. What the hell is my thumbnail size? Oh, it's this one. It says 1280. First of all, I gotta remember this. And then I gotta do a 16.9 ratio. 16.9 ratio. And then send that to them. Okay, that's good. Oof, because they was playing with me. Alright, let's open ChatGPT. Let's see if they can help me here. What are we looking for? Wait, actually, let me look at my comments real quick. Saying, but there's not more people watching your video. It's totally wrong. You're doing. Oh, thank you. I know, right? But you know, with consistency, more people would definitely end up jumping in. And you know, I've been gaining a lot of subscribers, which is amazing. It's been great. So I'm not too worried about it. Okay, so let me go and see the underline. How do I even ask this? I think I just gotta act straightforward. How to take the underline off of my link. I feel like I asked that so weird. I asked that so weird, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna understand it. How do I take an underline off my link? I think that's really my goal here. Oh my goodness. And it's every time I see it, I'm like, I knew it, bro. That's why I hate looking stuff up sometimes. I knew it. And I was saying style, but I knew what I was trying to say. I was trying to say text decoration. I'm so pissed. Oh, that just pissed me off. Cause it's always those tiny things that you already know. But damn. That got me. I hate it. I gotta stop being hard on myself though. Cause I think the good part is knowing that I did know it, but that I just needed a little bit of help. What the hell? Okay, yep, there we go. No underline. Perfect. I'm so pressed. I'm so pressed. Did that take off the underline though from this one? I don't think it did, but then also I just can't tell because my triangle. Yeah, no, that didn't take the underline off of that. So I gotta target my footnote. I guess I gotta do text decoration here as well. Damn, I'm pissed. That should have been easy, man. To upload like this video, my support with you. Thank you, man. You want me to upload this one? I might upload this one. Because I do have all my lives uploaded, but I actually put them as unlisted. So if you guys go to my playlist, I think you could rewatch all of my lives. Because that's how I did it. If you can't rewatch them, then I gotta fix it. It still kind of looks like there's an underline. Is that not what my footnote? Did I type that weird? It still looks like there's an underline. Well, honestly, I don't care because the triangle is so damn small. At that point, you're not even gonna notice. So I guess I'll just leave it that way. And then what else was I supposed to do? Now there's no underline. Okay, so after you click it. Now I can't remember. Is it dot no underline after? Is that how that would look? But I can't remember if I'm supposed to be doing after, if I'm supposed to be doing something like... I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to be doing after. Let's just try it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. There's no harm in trying something. And then you probably do text decoration. Underline. Then let's see if that works. Okay, no. Oh, hover. Hover. Not after. Hover. Oof. Clean save. I hope no one commented that. Okay, good. Okay, we're good. Hover. Perfect. Bruh. This is something completely different. Why is that even being targeted? It should not be targeted. It has its own class. It literally has its own class. Now I gotta target that class. And I gotta make sure there's no damn underline. Icon. Text decoration. None. Stop it. I don't need no underline. I feel like it's gonna override. Yep. I knew it. It was like, it's gonna override. How do I stop that from happening? Oops. Damn, I'm just closing everything. I knew it was gonna override. Because is it wrapped in that span? Or in that A? Oh, it is wrapped in the A. Yeah, because it is the same link. That's the problem. So unless I just, because it's by itself, I just wrap it in another anchor. But like I said, it's the same link, which is why I wanted to keep it in the same anchor. But I'm assuming I'm probably just gonna have to wrap it in another anchor because that's not working out. So let's just go href, which is kind of annoying. Unless there probably is a way you could do it. What the hell? What am I doing a plus for? There probably is another way you could do it, but I think this is just going to be the route I go because they both go to the same thing, but I guess it's probably just messing with it. And then now let me try that. Let me see what it looks like. Okay. Well, for some reason, the underline is really overreaching. That don't even make sense at this point. Because when you hover over this one, stop. It literally stops right under it. When you hover over mine, why is it even going that far? Oh, you know what? It's because I have a space. Okay, that's perfect. So I need to put the space, I think, on my span. Oh wait, I need to close this. What the hell? Oh, nope, I'm tripping. Stop. Delete that. Wait, what the hell? Stop it. Listen to me. All right, there we go. Icon. I think this needs a space itself. Okay, that looks better. What happened? Why did that randomly have an underline? Am I tripping right now? Why does that randomly have an underline again? I thought I turned that off with icon. What the hell? Alright, anyway, let's just acknowledge the fact that I did this right. That's all we need to see. That's all we need to see. Now, why is that not working? I don't know. I really don't know. Why is that not working? Wait, oh, you know what? Because I think I need to do... Oh, yeah. Okay. Let me... Actually, no. Let me not do that. This needs a class. So should I keep my span with a class? Yeah. You know what? I'll just keep it... I'll keep it there. So we're going to end up changing this to like... I'm trying to think. Icon 1. No, that will get me so confused because I already got 2 icons. Do I ever need to touch that span icon is my issue. Because if I don't, then maybe I don't need to. Bro, I just need a name. I just need a name. I'm gonna go icon, no underline. No, that's too much. Icon, no. That's just what we're gonna do. Icon, no. I think I'll understand that. Text decoration up. There we go. Now we're good. We finally did that. We finally ate. You said, let me see. What are you trying to do? Well, I did it now, but I was trying to basically remove the underline from this and then keep it separate, because when you hover over shop, you see how there's an underline. Over here, you hover over shop, there's an underline, but it doesn't go to this one. But it still links to this. You know what I just realized? When you hover over this, it still makes that an underline. I don't care. We don't gotta talk about that. We don't gotta talk about that one. It says, you have done one mistake. What mistake have I done? Let me know. You said, why not use hashtag for increased views of your video? Oh, because I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the way it looks. I like the people that we normally have in the stream. Oh damn, I'm realizing I'm like really cropping myself off to go read these comments. My bad. Damn. Was I doing that the whole time? I was just out the whole entire time. If you're new here, make sure you end up leaving a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. I'm here replicating this Apple MacBook Air landing page. So everything, we're gonna try to get everything on this page. So far, we only got these top 2. But doesn't it look quite similar? So make sure you stick around. I've been learning how to code for almost 3 months. So we're almost there by the 8th of July. So subscribe, man, and continue to enjoy this stream. So there's something that it's kind of getting to me. Because I don't like that when you hover over it, it ends up highlighting the shop, but it doesn't have an underline itself. I personally don't even understand, nor do I even want to do it. I don't even think I want to do it. So I feel like, man, this might not be the wave. But it links to the shop though, which is really good. So now I think the next part I should do is probably add this image. The next thing I gotta do is add this image, because this is going to be something. I'm already over it at this point. But we got 10 minutes. Because honestly, I think I'm gonna have to end up ending this like really soon. Maybe I'll do another 20. And then adding the image in here is gonna be something, bro. It's gonna be something. Should I just end it with free code camp lessons? Should this be the end? I mean, I could probably add this part, but the only problem is I don't know if my image needs to come first, because you see how the image is in the background. But I think I'm just gonna add this part, and if the image needs to come first, we can just rearrange that. That should be very easy. So let's go with the MacBook Air. We're gonna start here. I'm assuming it's in its own div. We don't really gotta check. Oh, okay, actually they put it all in the same div. I like that. So we're gonna have to go back over here and fix this, because I just spaced it because I thought it was too close. But now that I've finished being in here, we can end up fixing that. Drop down. Wait, whoa, why do I got 2 bodies? Y'all see that? Why the hell do I have two bodies written here? That don't even make sense. Why did I do that? Okay, so let's go with the div. Div, please. And then this div, I honestly don't know what class name it's going to need yet, but it's going to be the container of having h2. And then it's also going to have a p element. Let me see my comments. You say, you recommended me your stream. It's my homepage. All the best. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up, man. Hopefully you end up subscribing. Hopefully you stick around. I've been learning how to code for a minute now, and I'm just trying to go crazy. You know what I'm saying? So try ones. Definitely more people will watch your video. Try. Okay. So maybe for my next stream, I'll try tags. Cause I normally try tags like in my actual videos, but I don't do it for my streams. So maybe that is where I'm going wrong. All right. So thank you so much, Sita. I'll definitely try it in my next stream because at this point, I've already been going for 40 minutes. I'm okay with it. Damn, I just told ChatGPT to help me with a thumbnail. I don't think I'm ever going to ask them again. Look what the hell they just made me. I don't know. I don't know if this is going to look crazy for y'all. Let me see how that looks on stream because I have my phone. Look what they just made me. I want to see if y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? Damn it, it blurs. It blurs. Never mind, y'all. Never mind, it blurs, but it was crazy. They just made me the most ugliest thumbnail I've ever seen in my life. I'll never ask for that again. But let's go for P. Oh my gosh, I hate when I click that button, bro. I always click a button. Oh, it's insert. I gotta take a note for that because I always click a button that just screws with me. All right, P. Perfect. Now we need to end up writing MacBook Air in the first one. Should I uppercase book? Wait, is that all uppercase? Oh no, okay, they did what I did. So we're gonna go MacBook Air, and then we're going to do speed of lightness. Speed of lightness? That's really what they did? Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Actually, you know what? Let me not come at them. They probably got hella sales on this because of that speed of lightness. And is it uppercase? Nope. Okay, lightness. So this is obviously going to need a div so I can center it. What did I do with my center div? All I did was align it, so perfect. I'm gonna just give this a class of center. Because I don't think I need to do anything, hopefully. Because if I do, then I'll have to change the class. But now let's open this up real quick, see if it's in the middle. Yes, it is. That's what I'm talking about. But now we gotta go for the size, and it needs to go down. Oh, you know what? That's probably why I can't name it center. Because if I try to move it down, then this is going to come down. So I actually need to give it a different name. Let's just go for, I was going to do main, but then what if I use a main element? I don't think so. I think I'm going to go with main. I don't think I'm going to need a main element. If I was going to use a main element, I should have used it. Oh wait, did I do the wrong one? What the fuck? What was this one? I'm gonna have to rewind on my live. I erased the wrong one. I forgot what this one was. Speed of lightness. That's what I'm saying. That's wild then. You want to know my age? I'm 21, about to be 22. Could someone tell me what I just erased? Because I needed that. And I do not remember. I'm 21 though, about to be 22. I'm learning. I'm trying to go crazy, man. Yeah, I'm gonna need to rewind my stream. Control Z. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you. What does that do? Oh my gosh, you're so goated. You are so goated. I didn't even know you could do that. Bruh. Oh my goodness, you are so goated. That was dot main. Okay. Woof. Wait, did I need that? Why would I do dot main for that? I feel like I accidentally changed the wrong one still. Cause dot main don't make sense. Yeah, okay. So I must have picked the wrong one because I needed to do, I think it's supposed to be icon no. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be icon no. Because I think I accidentally changed the wrong one when I was trying to do something. Yeah, okay, that's better. Because I was trying to change for this one. Okay, in particular. So let me change this. We gotta make a new one. That's where I'm supposed to be doing my dot main. Oof, that was crazy. That was insane. Oh my gosh, no, thank you, seriously, because I never understood. Well, it's okay, because now I got it. No, I don't need it no more. I think I got it now. So I got it. It's perfect. Thank y'all. I need to make a note though. I definitely need to make a note. So dot main needs to be centered. So I need to do text align center. Because remember, because I was going to put it as dot, remember I was going to make the class center so that it can be centered with this one. But the thing is that I need to move it more down my screen. And if I did that, this part would move and I don't need this moving. So I'm changing it to main, which is why it wasn't centered previously. So now when I go in, now it's still centered. That's the goal. Because now I need to, is it margin to get this into the middle? I don't remember if it's margin or padding. Is it margin or padding? Because I know margin can help, but sometimes I be doing padding. But no, because what if padding just ends up putting that in between? Hold on. If you're new here, normally when I check padding and margin, I use big numbers to figure out what happens. Okay. All right. So we're good there. So it's definitely that. But where exactly is it at on the screen? It's not that damn low. So we don't need to do no 200. But maybe, is 100 crazy? Would 100 be insane? No. It actually needs to be less though. That's probably like 80. I don't want to check. I like to try trial and error first before I check and inspect the screen. So you're saying use Tailwind. I could use Tailwind. I'll probably see in the future. Like, but is Tailwind more of like an AI? It says, will you be using GSAP for this project? No, I will not. I'm only going to be doing HTML and CSS, and then eventually I'll probably get into JavaScript later in the down the line. But as of right now, HTML and CSS. So all the best for next. All the best. I hope next time you will make more subscribers and your channel will grow. Thank you, man. Thank you. Hopefully you subscribed. But thank y'all for joining in the stream, man. This is amazing. I'm still going to keep it going. I think this is honestly the most people I've had in one stream, to be honest. which is kind of crazy. But thank y'all. If y'all are new here, make sure y'all leave a comment, you subscribe, leave a like on my stream. If you like my stream up, my stream can definitely get recommended. I got 11 likes on this one. Thank y'all so much, man. I did not expect this. Very thankful. Very thankful. All right, so now I got to continue messing with this size because my size is killer. I love how it's slowly just moving up. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try one more. I'm gonna go for 50. If 50 don't look right, we're gonna have to go and inspect that screen. We're gonna go for 50. Is that good, y'all? Or should it go up one more? I think it needs to, but I can't tell because the size isn't right. My size is not right. Let me see what size they used in particular for this one. They gave this a class too. I'm forgetting. I'm gonna have to give this a class because they're not the same font weight or font size. Oh, they gave it 24. So what the hell am I doing? Ain't no way they gave that 24. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I'm in padding. What am I doing? I'm literally in padding. Go back to 50. Go back to 50. I'm not even in font size yet. Font size. And they gave it 24. Let me check if anybody commented real quick. My bad, my phone is like off to the side. Are you made any front end or back end projects? I made a lot of front end projects. Thank you so much, Femi. This is amazing, man. I love it when people are from different countries. That is so amazing. Thank you. But normally I make front end projects. I have not yet learned back end, which my goal is to become full stack one day. But I just started learning front end. So this is all just off of literally just learning front end, I want to say almost 3 months ago. Actually, I could take my phone off the charger. That's why I've been turning over there, because my phone is charging. So, no, yeah. Said not main. No, I know, man. I know. I couldn't come up with a different name. I need to come up with a different name, but it's okay. I could definitely change that. What's up, Aaron? What's up? Or Aaron, my bad. I don't know why I said it in a weird way. What's up? All right, let's keep this going. We'll put this to the side. So, yo, finally found one competitor. What's up, yo? What's up? What you mean you found a competitor? Select that tag and apply it. Where? Select what tag? My name, Marzi. That's my name. Select that tag and apply it. I'm not too sure what you're talking about. What's up, Harish? I don't know. I could be pronouncing that wrong. I think it's Harish. Not too sure. What's up? Okay, so font size. What am I doing again? There's no way their font size is 24, y'all. Maybe it's the height. This is what am I working with? So far, I'm trying to replicate this Apple MacBook Air landing page. I'm using Visual Code. You know, I'm new to this, so I'm trying to replicate it. It says yes, you're pronouncing it right. Okay, that's dope. That's dope. Are you doing an internship? No, but I want to in the near future. But I've been learning. I just started learning, so I'm not doing an internship just yet. But I want to say maybe in the near future, like when I'm 6 months, maybe a year in, I'll definitely be applying to internships. But as of right now, no, this is everything that I'm just doing on the side on my own. I'm just doing this for fun though too. This is really for fun. I'm doing something that I'm realizing because I'm realizing I'm contacting the main, but the main isn't supposed to be 24px. I think I'm supposed to be writing this in my H3 actually. I'm supposed to be writing this in my my H2. I'm gonna have to give my H2 a class. Damn, I'm getting a lot of comments. Hold up. It says so dot main H2. Oh, you're right. I'm forgetting. I don't think I need to give it a class. I can just do main H2. Thank you so much for that. Let me do dot main H2 over here, and we'll fix that. I'm sorry. I'm trying to respond to these comments, so it's hard for me to focus. You say I'm a full stack developer, and I'm just beginning. But I do want to become a full stack developer. You deserve a sub. Thank you, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. I've recorded myself learning how to code. I've been recording my journey since day one, before I even had a laptop. So make sure y'all subscribe, man. I have a video come out every single day. Sometimes I miss a day, but normally I have a video coming out every single day. I got one coming out later today at 8. Can you come to Meta if you are in New York? Oh, I'll definitely do that. But I'm not in New York though. I'm not in New York. But if I was ever traveling, that would be dope. How to start with web development? I don't know if that's what you're asking, but if you're saying with web development, I'll say I normally started with Free Code Camp. So, but if you're talking about something else, then oops, I gave you the wrong answer. So they said 24px, which is still, to me, doesn't seem like that's what they used. To me, like, there's no way they used 24px, y'all. There's just no way. And why is mine so thick? I need to take the bold off. Actually, I'm a student. I said I'm in the course of... Oh, you're in the course of a full stack web developer. Okay, that's dope as hell. That is dope. I need to end up getting into that too. But as of right now, man, I'm struggling with JavaScript hardcore. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. That is literally the size. I'm too busy looking at this one. I'm like, there's no way that's 24px. No, I'm tripping. That is the size. I'm tripping hard. Multitasking is not for me. Okay? Multitasking is not for the weak. I need to take the bold off of that though. Which I gotta remember how I did that. Oh yeah, font weight. Thank you. Which is your country? I'm from the US. How many programming languages do I learn, or did you learn? I don't think you can, no one counts HTML. If you count CSS as a language, I learned that. But other than that, I'm only currently been learning JavaScript, so that's it. That's all I got under my belt is JavaScript. Font weight, you're 100% correct. That's exactly what I need to end up doing. Thank you. Thank you so much for that one. And then, am I a student? Technically, I'm a self-taught, so I'm teaching myself. But I do eventually want to go to a boot camp. Like, I don't mind going to a school for it. But that's also going to be in the near future because I be working, y'all. I work a lot. I actually got to go to work some point after this. So, you know. So now I got to reduce it. What number did I reduce it when I did it up here? I did font weight up here at one point. I just want to see what exact number did I do. Okay, I guess I lied because I don't see no font weight anywhere unless I'm just moving really slow. No, I definitely had to do font weight. Oh, right here. So normal. We got that. Normal. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, damn, that normal though. No, we don't need no damn normal. We actually need a little bit of weight on that. Did you complete HTML and CSS? I didn't complete it because I'm doing it on Free Code Camp. So I didn't like complete the web design course, but I feel pretty confident in it. So I'm also learning JavaScript right now. I'm studying DOM. That's what I'm saying, man. Make sure you subscribe, bro, because I'm telling you, I'm literally actively recording myself learn JavaScript for my YouTube videos. Not on live because I'm not that confident, but when I get confident, I'll definitely do it on live. Does this need a weight? Like if I did 20px, like is that gonna do something? Okay, it does. Honestly, F this. We're going to figure it out right now. They did 600. Oh, you don't need px. Oops, that's embarrassing. They did 600? This is insane. These numbers are crazy. And the fact that it's working every time I do it is even more is even more insane. I think the space is good. So we got that. That looks right. I don't know though. Oh wait, never mind. I'm tripping. I had it open like that. Wait a second. It said 24. But now that I'm looking at it, 24 definitely is not what they did. Oh, because they used SF Pro Display. Is that different? They did a letter spacing. I don't even think that's the issue. Could it be the line height, y'all? What's up, Foothaw? What's up? Damn, you came to the end of the live, Foothaw. You came to the end of the live. Oh, you completed Python, MySQL. What's up? Okay, that's dope. You completed it on Free Code Camp? Because that's pretty cool. I really want to complete it. I want to get my name on that certificate one day. I'm halfway through it. I think I could literally show y'all. Like, hold on. I got through all of these. I'm right here. I only have a couple more things to go in like 3 projects and I can get my certification. My bad, I was at my soccer game. It's all good. It is all good. He said if you want temporary change, you can use the inspect styling. Oh, I should do that. Now you're learning JavaScript. Okay. So let me know, because you might end up learning it better than me. So definitely give me some tips in my future videos because I came up with an idea for me at least, and it's been working so far. So let me know if you got any future like tips. Says I like the video and I'm sharing with my friends. Hey, thank you so much, man. Especially too, if y'all go to school or something, or you know people who are also learning how to code, send this to your friends, because people, they enjoy watching other people learn how to code as well. And this is the perfect channel for that. I really think so. I try to find other channels. I'm pretty sure there's probably other people who do it well as well. Shout out to them if y'all know any of them. But definitely come here. So this is max width. Is it max width that's doing? I think I'm just gonna have to go in and I'm gonna just start having to pick a random number, because we're damn near there. Because I think I got the sizing right. I think the space away from here is perfect. I just need to change my font size. So it says 24. I might have to go with 30. Does 30 look better? Why does that look so off on my screen? Is that in the right spot? Or do they just have theirs to the left? Like, from my screen, that's throwing me off hard. He says, actually, you got a new subscriber. Hey, that's what's up. Thank y'all for subscribing, man. Do code. Don't talk too much. I don't mind talking. I actually like talking to these people who end up responding. I feel like if I sit here and I miss these comments, I feel bad. Use a mic for best voice quality. Oh no, yes, definitely. I'm waiting to spoil myself when I end up getting to like 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna buy a mic. I'm gonna buy a camera. You need a space between that nav bar. I think I did space between for my nav bar. And then you have a subscribe to your channel. Thank you. You guys are amazing. For some reason, a part of me feels like it needs to go up a little bit. Like, maybe that's due to my padding. Oh yeah, because I never even picked the right padding. I was just picking something. But do I drop it or do I go up? Let me see what 48. Oh, I thought it shot off the screen. I was like, what the heck? Is 48 dropping it, or is that making it higher? Let me try once more. Let's do like 45. I think I'm dropping. Okay, no, that is going up. It's just going up very slow. Let me try 40. 40 has to be it. Cause I feel like that's, bruh. 40. Do they have, what am I doing again? I'm doing padding. What the hell does their padding look like? 0. That helps a lot. Thank you for your 0 padding. This is definitely just going to help me. Yep, they literally have nothing. They literally have nothing. See my comments, use padding. Yep, that's what I'm trying to do. You need to fill the background first. Oh yeah, I know that, but I'm gonna do that next, I think next video, I'm gonna put the background in. But I'm gonna do that next video because I know how to fix that. You say 47, let me try 47. I don't know if 47 will work. Let me know, does that look right? Does that look right? 47, y'all? Reduce the padding, use margin. Okay, reduce the padding. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to, let me try 37. Let me try 37. Bruh, I swear it's like, it looks like it should move, but then it's just never moving. I don't think I need to use margin. I think I can stick with padding. I think I'm gonna stick with padding. Cause I'm literally right there, by the way. It just needs to go up just a little bit more. I don't think I need to do margin. I'm already too deep into padding at this point that I might as well stick with it. Does that look good, y'all, or should I do 30? Give me another number. Try VSC in browser side to side. I could do that, but I don't know. I feel like there's something cool with doing it like by trial and error. Am I a student? Yes. Technically, yes, I'm a student. But if I use margin, then what should I put in margin? Because I'm damn near there, so I feel like I don't need to use margin. I feel like I should just keep going. I should just keep going with my trial and error. Oh, wait. Oh, I found... Yo, is this it? Is this it? I think I found it. You are using VS Code? Yes, I'm using VS Code. Margin top, but less. Oh, damn, you're right. Margin top. I'm forgetting that. But do you think I need it now, or does this look similar? Let me know. Should I change this, or do you think this looks good? Because I feel like it's basically there. Padding 25? You think so? Padding 25? Let me try. Oh, you're right. Oh, shoot. You got that. You definitely got that. I inspire you to learn. That's dope. That is dope, man. Thank you. I love comments like that. That keeps me going. Did you use the live server extension? I have it, but I don't like it. I don't know what it is. Like, I know a lot of people tell me about it, but I hate it. I hate the live server extension. It bothers me to my core. And I tried using it again because someone told me, like, keep going. But you think it needs more change? I think it looks all right. It's damn near there. Okay, let me try that margin. I think it's damn near there. And I put it in my main, right? Or do I put it in my main H2? No, I think I'll put it in my main because I need the other one to follow as well. So let me try with margin. If margin don't work, I'm deleting margin. Oh wait, is the margin top? We did margin 10px auto. Let's see if that ends up working. I feel like that's just gonna put me in the middle. I don't know if it worked or if it's what I did. Or do I get rid of padding to see if it works? Increase the font size. No, yeah, definitely. I can't tell. Oh yeah, you're right. It is the font increase. Cause I thought it was gonna be more of like bold. Let me try 35. That might be too much. Yeah, that's too much. Hold on, let me do like 32. Y'all think 32 looks good, or should I go for 33? Padding is applied to all sides. So does that mean I shouldn't use padding? Does that mean I should not use padding? Cause I feel like I think I like the way that it's looking. Obviously, I need to start attacking this one next. But I'm really trying to get this MacBook Air to go. Go 33. Okay, let's try it. Let's try 33, see if that looks right. Oops, I forgot. Let's see if that looks right. I don't know if my screen, like when I switch through, is my screen glitching for y'all? But for me, it kind of do be. So we got this looking like this. I don't know what it is. Cause it's so weird, cause it's like everything looks good, but it seems like it needs to just be like, I don't even know how to explain it, just up. Like, That's it. That's what that seemed like. That seemed like. So then also too, so I was gonna say, I don't know if your name is Mansour or Mansour, Mansour, I think is how you pronounce it. When I do margin, are you telling me to get rid of padding and just have margin by itself, or do I leave it the way that it is right now? I think I'm gonna have to drop the size. I think I'm gonna have to go to 32, y'all. I feel like 33 looks too big to me. It looks too big to me. But then that also kind of looks too big. Your font is bigger than that. That's why it looks like it's not perfect. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I feel like no matter what, I think I'm just kind of screwed. I think I'm just kind of screwed. I think it's gonna have to look like that. You're giving padding to main. It will affect your code. So then where am I supposed to put my padding? Because the thing is that my main, I have main as a class. So I'm not doing it like in main. So I'm not targeting like everything. So unless you're saying I should put it, oh, are you saying to like put it in here? You can check what font it is. Yeah, I checked the font, but it's not the same. It's not the same because they asked, I think they said the font is 24 or something, and when I did 24, it did not look the same whatsoever. So I think I'm just gonna ultimately leave mine the way it is. I might drop the 31. Wait, no, I went back to 32. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with 31. I think I'm gonna stick with 31. You have to put your padding 0 and use margin. Okay, so I gotta do padding 0 and use margin. All right, let's see. Well, then I feel like I might as well just erase padding. But then at this point now, this is too much. But then maybe I would just have to do padding. I mean, maybe I'll have to switch this to like 20. Because now that's too far apart. I feel like I had it at a good spot. But maybe, I mean, I'm assuming maybe padding would affect it. I don't know. I mean, that's what people are saying. People are saying that padding would affect it. So maybe that's the case. But then now I gotta sit here and figure out how the hell do I do it? But let me check actually. Because maybe they used margin. Maybe, oh no, they didn't. I don't know how the hell they did theirs, man. You can't even, I swear, they just be hiding some of their code. Let me see. Open the inspector of the original website, see the space occupied by the particular one. I think, open the source code of that website, and I think there should be the font name there. I have the font name, y'all. I have the font name. It's just not looking exactly like it. Use a live server extension. I really don't like using a live server. Give margin top, don't use auto. I'm realizing I'm being told so many things. Someone told me to use margin auto. Now okay, don't use auto. Okay, we got this. We got this. We're almost there. What number? 50. We're just gonna start guessing at this point. We're gonna go 50. We're almost there. We're almost there. Should I jump to 60 or should I do like, should I jump to 60 or should I do, oh, hold up. I think we're right there. I think we're right there, y'all. I think we're right there. I open the source. Like look at the source, y'all. I'm opening it and it's kind of not showing too much. Like it's not helping. It won't show margin, it won't show the border. I mean, unless I'm so, oh, you know what? I'm probably supposed to click this, huh? Oh, it says the padding is 90. Damn. Well, we switched it. We ended up going for margin. Damn, I think someone told me to do it too, and I was like, I was clicking the wrong spot. You all were right. I should have clicked this one. But it's okay. Now we're doing margin and we're almost there either way. Cause I guess some people were saying that padding would mess it up. Good night, bro. I'm sleeping now. Okay, I'll see ya. That looks like it's in the right spot. It's just for some reason my font, I don't know if it's my font. I don't know if I need more bold. Because that looks like a bold issue. Or maybe it's my font size. Let me try one more time. Let me go back to 33 because someone recommended 33. I feel like that might be fine. 33 might be fine. I think I might end up sticking with that. If you're new here, make sure you end up leaving a like. Make sure you end up subscribing, man. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And when I finally get to 1,000 subscribers, y'all, sorry, I just want to move myself down. When I finally get to 1,000 subscribers, y'all, I will be investing in a new camera. Like, I'll definitely be going all decked out. So make sure you end up subscribing, leave a like, man. You leave a like, it gets pushed out to other people. This is amazing. I think this is the most people I've ever had in a stream, y'all. This is great. I was honestly supposed to stop dumb long ago, but I just kept it going. This is amazing. I don't think you have to keep reopening live server. Can't you just refresh the page? Can I refresh the page? Oh wait, I'm stupid. I just went right in there and I didn't even change nothing. Let me see. Let me change to 32 and then let me refresh. Well, actually, I don't know if 32 is like such a big thing. Let me just go to 40 and then let me refresh and see if that changes. Yeah, no, I don't think refreshing is working. I think when I open, yeah, refreshing it ain't working. Let me try 33 or 32 again. I just want to see one more time. Because the thing is, I'm just assuming here, I don't think I can get this to be perfect. But then also too, I feel like once I add that background in, I think even though it won't necessarily be perfect, it's going to look nice. But damn, you know what I just realized? Speed of light, I don't even think I can get the my letters to look like that color. You don't see that color? See you in the next vid. Keep motivating, keep being positive. Thank you. I'll see you later, Sita. I'll see you later. I'm hopping off this live pretty soon, so you're not gonna miss too much. Save your CSS file after you change. I do save it. My CSS file is saved. It is saved. I got that saved. But yeah, definitely with my speed of light. Do y'all know a way if I wrote my speed of light for it to have this color? Instead of inspect element, click on view source or something like that. It should give the entire site code instead of a short inspect. I feel like I normally stick with inspect though because I want to see that particular part. Like I like when I click it, for instance, how I want to see this, boom, it shows me just that. But so instead of inspect, you said view page source. But then if I do this, I feel like this starts to confuse me. I mean, if this don't confuse y'all, I don't know what will. I mean, well, actually, it doesn't look that confusing now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, now that I'm actually looking at it, it looks alright. This probably is going to be a better way for me to look at it. Damn, thank you. Thank you so much. But the only problem is, though, is I think it's only showing me HTML. They won't show me CSS. That's weird. Damn, I didn't even know you could swipe all the way over there. I did not know. You can use linear gradient for that color. Oh, thank you, bro. I gotta take a note for that because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to it today. But I'm gonna hop off live I got 5 minutes before I end up hopping off. So if y'all got any questions, anything y'all want to talk about, drop them down below. Am I from the US? Yes, I am. I am from the US. I'm definitely from the US. What am I doing right now? I'm trying to do something. Definitely from the US. Make sure you drop your questions down below. I'm about to hop off live pretty soon. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all end up leaving a like, man. This has been amazing. I've had a great live going on tonight. I wasn't even supposed to be going live for this long. This has been great. Is it really worth it to learn web dev in 2025? Honestly, it really depends on who you're asking. I personally think not everybody is gonna make it, but I feel like with me, you know, as being an advocate for myself, I feel like I have to believe I can make it, if that makes sense. So I believe in myself, but I'm not sure like all around is it gonna be a good idea. But that's why I'm trying to learn full stack web development. I'm trying to get into software engineering. My main goal is game dev, honestly, but I think that I just have to be an advocate for me, and I'm rooting for myself is all I can say. It says, when will the live get over? It will be done at 1:30. So in like 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Bro, I'm a 12th grader. Can you please guide me? What do you need some guidance in, man? I would definitely give you some advice. What do you need guidance in? You can use linear gradient, starting color, ending color. Thank you. I'm definitely going to screenshot that, man, because I don't think I would have known how to do that whatsoever. You say you're asking me, question mark. I don't know what that's directed to. So I think they're save the file after you making the change, and so you don't have to reopen. Although I think the file should already be saved. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think my file saves automatically. But I mean maybe when I go live I could probably just open my live server, but I really hate looking at it. It bothers me. It says, yo, I'm also learning full stack and I love designing clone websites. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. I have also made an Amazon clone. Oh, that's dope as hell, man. That is dope as hell. It says, bro, how did I just join at the end? No, it's okay. It is okay. I should be going live every single day at 12 p.m. EST. So you can definitely catch the next one. Cybersecurity roadmap. Oh, cybersecurity is goated. I almost went down that route. But I didn't. In VS Code, on the auto save option, is it not already auto saved? I don't even know where my auto saved option is, but I've been thinking my stuff is getting saved. I hope it's getting saved. Are y'all telling me my stuff can end up getting messed up? Let me see. Where is my oh wait, never mind. It says guidance and how should I start my journey to Google. Well, I mean, I'm not at Google, so starting the journey to Google is definitely going to be something crazy. But I would probably say, number one, if you're still learning, I'll probably say just take your time in learning. Don't try to rush. But then also to be open to other companies, because at the end of the day, you're probably going to need experience before you could really enter into Google. And I think a lot of people go wrong when they have like a dream job instead of just going for anything for the time being until you build that experience and then trying to get into your dream job. But definitely take your time with learning and stuff like that. If you are still learning, I'm not sure. Yeah, me too. I'm closed. Amazon, Instagram, Facebook. Hey, that's dope as hell, man. Go settings. Okay, hold on real quick. How long will it take to be a front-end developer? Because I'm trying to be a front-end developer in 6 months. Can I cover almost everything about front-end development in this time? I mean, Mohammed, I personally think you could, but also don't be upset if you didn't. Because I feel like the problem is like a lot of people put a timeline on themselves, and then when they don't feel like they're there or they don't feel like they reached it at a certain time, it starts to become stressful. You might run into burnout. You might start comparing yourself to other people, and that can be an issue. So I would say, I think you definitely could do it, like as an encouragement way. Like I think you could definitely do it. I honestly want to be able to do it. But I honestly ran into JavaScript and that showed me real quick I might not be able to get it done in 6 months. But I'm just saying, honestly, I would say if you could do it, you could do it. Try your hardest, but also don't let it disappoint you if you didn't make it in that time span. Click files, and click autosave. Okay, click files. Well, I see save, but autosave is definitely not there, so I'll just save it. I don't see no autosave. Mohammed, I'm doing the same thing by the end of the semester. I want to have a job in front end. Hey, that's what's up. Let me know how it goes for y'all, because if it goes good, that would definitely make me keep pushing as well. Definitely. Well, I kind of like it because, I like it as a skill. You say you regularly do live daily. It is there? All right, let me click it. Where does it say it? Do I regularly do lives daily? Yes, I do. I do it around 12 p.m. EST. Oh, hey, there we go. So now what? Now I can do it? My bad, y'all. My bad. Hey, I saw it. I clicked it. So now what? Now I could refresh it now? Is that what the goal was? What are some actual skills that won't be automated by AI and actually be beneficial if we start learning now? I would say something that AI can never have is your mind. You will never, AI, I feel like won't be able to come up with ideas for people in a way, if that makes sense. So let's say someone's telling you the type of stuff that they want. I feel like AI isn't going to be able to comprehend that on itself without a human to tell AI how to do it. And then also too, sometimes AI, if you notice right now with ChatGPT, they end up messing up a large amount of code. So there's always going to be someone there that needs to debug it, if that makes sense. So I feel like as of right now, AI isn't where people think it is. There's always still going to need to be people there to guide AI. But then I think eventually there will become a point where AI starts to do it, but you're still going to need to have a human there to like make sure it's doing it okay. If they mess up, you debug it. If they don't understand a certain idea that a customer is trying to tell them, you need to tell it. I think that's where people will need to be. So it is there. It says below share. Which course are you studying? I'm going to go show y'all right now. I'm currently on Free Code Camp for responsive web design. This is the only course that I've been taking. I am going to be trying to do the Odin project at some point. And does AI really steal web dev jobs because AI will create more attractive, interactive web pages? I mean, I feel like, to be honest, I think it will. I think it will, but I don't think it's nothing to be afraid of if you believe in yourself and if you understand the type of stuff you will need to have as a human to work with AI. Like I think it's going to take jobs of people who only know the basics. Like, if you only know the basics, then those jobs are going to be gone because there's AI. AI already knows the basic. But I feel like when you know the deeper stuff behind it, you have the problem solving skills, you know what a customer needs, AI can't take that. It can't take that from you. So I think it's definitely worth it, but you need to know what you need to know to know. I think is the best way to say that. You need to know what you need to know. That's it. I said like in school or college. No, I'm not. I said I'm self-taught. I said I was self-taught since I started. I'm a self-taught web developer. I'm teaching myself. I don't go to school. Does AI really... Oh wait, I already read that. I'm a front-end developer at IBM. You can ask me anything if you want. Hey, that's dope as hell, man. That is dope as hell. So then, all right. So then answer those questions. Answer the questions where people were saying, do you think AI is going to take web dev jobs? What do you think? What do you think? You say you tried the Odin project. You struggled. So I'm super interested in seeing you go through it. I think I can do the Odin project. But where I struggle, like I said, so hard is JavaScript, man. So I don't know. Maybe not yet. It says JK reacts her as a third year B-Tech student how to join IBM. Hey, that's dope. That's dope. Yeah, actually, answer those questions. I feel like those questions would be pretty dope. Pretty dope. And then I'll be ending this live soon after. They might need to get better camera quality. I really do, but I'm gonna spoil myself when I get to 1,000 subs. So if y'all want me to get better camera quality, you want me to get a better mic, you want me to get better this, make sure y'all subscribe. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll go crazy on that. Hopefully JK is commenting because I'm waiting. I want to see what he has to say. Love from India. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. I love when people are from different countries, man. It's so amazing. That is so crazy. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Then imagine JK left. Oh no, he's here. He's here. Not at all. AI can't steal the job, but the person who used AI will steal. Ooh, that's something. That's actually a bar right there. That's a bar right there. But I personally think that AI can definitely take like entry level jobs, like the easy stuff, the stuff that can be done like with easy dev tickets. I think AI can take that. But that's why I feel like you should know a little bit more deeper just so your job can't be taken. But so yeah, he was right. Yep. I agree. But people are wondering, how do you get into IBM? Or any tips into getting into that? Marzi, you're doing great. JavaScript is tough for a lot of people. Seriously, keep the grind up. You're a motivation for me. I gotta go and start coding again. Def, try to catch the stream tomorrow. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up, man. And I also got a video coming out today about how I basically am going to be using ChatGPT as a mentor to teach me JavaScript in a way. So I think that would be dope. But let's see if JK ends up responding. If not, I'm gonna have to get off this live. I was supposed to get off 5 minutes ago, but I'm waiting. I just want to see real quick. Any tips to get into IBM? Or any tips, honestly, to get into any type of front-end developer job. I think people want to hear it. Let me see. I can't wait till I end up finishing this certificate, though. Like, I really want to get my name in something. But I also need to... You aren't using React? No, not yet, man. Not yet. You're not in third year? Oh. Wait, so then who said that? You say you're a front... Oh, well then now I'm lost. Because you said that you were a front-end developer at IBM. Maybe I'm tripping. It says you aren't using React. No. I do need to end up getting into React, but I'm only 2 months into web development, about to be 3 months into web development. And I feel like I should have probably already learned JavaScript, but currently I'm moving at my own pace and I'm realizing JavaScript is hard as hell. So maybe when I go live tomorrow, I'll be showing y'all my struggles with JavaScript. I think that would definitely be a good live stream. Which country am I from? I'm from the US. I'm from the US. The USA. But alright, y'all, I'm definitely going to be ending this live right here. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all like it up. Oh, damn, y'all did like this up. 22 likes. That's dope as hell, man. Thank y'all so much. I hope I got some new subscribers. This live is different. We got, yeah, no, Dia. I know this is amazing. I don't want to end it. That's why I'm still here. I don't want to end it, but I got to. Is making clones good for practice, or is there any other way in which we can practice? I think making clones is really good for practice, but also to making your own projects. Come up with your own ideas. I think that's also pretty dope. It shows your problem solving skills. So I think coming up with your own ideas and making clones is definitely great practice. But alright, y'all, ending this live stream. I love y'all. I'll see y'all later. I should be going live at 12 p.m. EST. Thank y'all so much. This has been amazing live. This has been going crazy. I think this is the most live viewers I've ever had. It's been great, man. The subs, the views, I love it. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. See y'all later. See y'all later. Bye, 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 bye.